We sold over $12,000.
Crazy, right? We have more than paid for our startup costs.
Don't smile. You can't smile. You'll ruin it. Hey, this is Alison Prince. I am super excited about today's video because I've got 3 amazing, like crazy cool things to show you.
Number 1 is Courtney's story and how she was able to streamline everything and build her business when her children were sleeping.
Number 2, I'm going to show you how we sold over $12,000 in 36 hours, so you can do it too. And the third thing, it's a little different, but I'm going to show you how we did mermaid skills on Bridges, my daughter who's 13. We did it on her face. Anyway, stick around, this is gonna be super fun. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, because it lets me know that you want more of these so you can build your business. All right, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Courtney of 7 and Sparrow, and I just wanted to tell you that I am absolutely loving Alison's course. I've learned so much since we got started. As a busy homeschooling mom of 4 kids ages 8 and under, I love the ability to add a stream of income for our family without spending a whole lot of time on it. I work my business mostly while my family is asleep, so it doesn't take time away from them. And I love that Alison's course has streamlined everything that we needed to get started, from setting our business up properly and legally, to sourcing our manufacturers, how to choose a logo, how to list our products, how to photograph and price our products. She is just a wealth of knowledge, and I am so thankful for her sharing her tips and tricks, saving us time and money to get started and to run a successful business ourselves. The price for the course, we have more than paid for our startup costs. The amount of information that she shares in the course and in the Facebook group page, it far surpasses the price on the course, and I'm so thankful that we jumped on board and said yes to this. Alison, thank you so much for everything that you've taught us. Thank you for pouring into us and for continuing to pour into us each week with your Q&As. We love you, appreciate you, and we are so thankful for this new exciting journey that we're on.
I just got a call from my customer service gal. You guys, we just used an influencer that killed it. I'm gonna go show you the amount of orders that came in, and it hasn't even been 24 hours. The deal's up for 48 hours. So we still have another day. So I'm gonna show you the stack of orders that just came in. I promised my manager I wouldn't show the order, or show her. Okay, so this is one stack of orders right here, you guys. All these are specific orders. Here's the other stack. This just came in. It hasn't even been 24 hours yet, you guys. Look at that. Crazy, right? This is awesome. I'm so excited. I got up at 5 a.m. this morning because I was too excited to see how many this influencer ended up selling. Now you guys, you know I don't tell you the product. I don't tell you the influencer, because guess what? That's not what it's about. It's the process. The process works time and time and time again. When we contacted this influencer has never sold anything for me, and I actually never even talked to her. I had someone else in my company, my customer service gal, reach out to this influencer. She said yes, set it all up, and you guys wanna see the results? This is crazy, crazy, crazy awesome. Okay, let me pull it up real quick. So my system doesn't show exactly how much money that brought in, but I set it up to where the minimum amount that could be ordered was $24. So if I just do that on my calculator, I have 511 coupons times the minimum of $24. Look what that gave me. $12,264. That's the minimum. And you guys know what? Most people bought more than the minimum. How do I know? I just looked in the orders. You guys, this process works. The system works time and time and time and time again. The influencer is so happy. She reached out to us last night and said, hey, when can we do this again?
She's happy. We're elated, crazy happy, and created this win-win situation that brought us in over $12,000 in under 48 hours. The 48 hours, I believe, ends, I want to say at 6 o'clock tonight. I believe that's when it is. But you guys, it works over and over and over and over and over again. And I've said over a lot. So tonight at the Christmas party, the word Christmas party, the girls asked to be mermaids. So we're using fishnet tights to see if we can get the scale, like the mermaid scale fish look, on their faces. And we're doing it in the church bathroom. So we found out the trick is you dab instead of like brush, because I'm such the makeup artist and totally don't know what I'm doing. So we will have some blue scales when we're done. Tell me why you chose this shirt, dear. Don't smile. You can't smile. Don't you ruin it. No smiling. Oh no. They're coming off the lines. Okay, don't smile. Don't talk. Just kidding. But you chose an awesome shirt, Fridge. The floral. So pretty. All right, here's the big reveal. You ready, G? No? It's the only time you can ever wear fishnet tights. Yeah. Right, you gotta look at the camera first. What?
My nose! I like the nose!
Oh yeah, that'll rub out.
It's gone now.
Look how cool that looks. You're an official mermaid. Here's Zoe. She's rocking the purple, silver, and blue blend. It's Zoe. Do you love this? Heck, you look so cute. I love it. Wasn't that awesome? $12,000 and mermaid scales all in the same video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you guys know e-commerce is amazing and it changes lives. If you want more information, there's going to be links above, links below for you to sign up for the 0 to 100K masterclass that I teach you on how you can make this your reality too. Don't forget, next Tuesday is going to be awesome, and I will see you then. Bye.